You know, I told you we'll do so many things that they will not sleep well. You know, one of my friends called me the other day that they were watching television. His husband turned on the television. I think that was channel. They said, see Wike. He said, oh, put it off. He said, put the NTA. See Wike. Oh, go and put Arise. Wike, please. There's a good TVC. Wike. So he said, the wife said, my brother. So, if you're angry like this, so you mean in this house we won't watch television again? Leave it, I beg. Why are you angry? Why not tell your own state to be appearing like this? Leave it. People like to hate people. The truth of the matter is that if you can't beat them, you join them. You know,